Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. Today is March 10th, the year 2025, and it is also National Blueberry Popover Day. Now, a lot of you are like, wait, what is a popover? If I show you a picture of a popover, you'll go, oh my gosh, it's a muffin. But the truth is, it's not a muffin. Popovers are crisp, they're hollow on the inside, and they make like a thin pancake batter. They are easy to use, equitable, so we're gonna do it. And I think you'll love it. So happy National Blueberry Popover Day. So let's begin. And of course, I'm gonna read you guys the ingredients. So you're gonna need a cup of flour. You're gonna need a cup of milk. You're gonna need 2 large eggs. You're gonna need a tablespoon of melted butter. You're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you're going to need honey. Yep, that's it. So the reason that we like these popovers is that they're super easy. You can pair them with coffee and tea. You can make this a family activity because this is easy enough where your kids can help you with it. This is also a great way to support your local farmer. I got these from one of my local farmers. Look how wonderful those blueberries look. Yes. So it's wonderful. Also, if you want to switch out these blueberries for strawberries, raspberries, even chocolate chips, you can, because that's the beauty of this recipe. Because here at Good Time Gal, we want everybody to have access to delicious, nutritious food. So this recipe is going to keep things really simple. It's budget friendly, it's adaptable, so it makes it perfect for every household, whether you're using fresh or frozen berries or foraged blueberries. These popovers are gonna be a celebration of good food and good company. Have not seen it, so but the first thing that you wanna do is you want to set your oven at 425, and then you want to take your muffin pan. This is mine, I have a giant muffin pan, and I'm going to put it inside. Yes. And then we start. So this is another quick, equitable recipe. We're just gonna be moving fast, okay? So in this bowl, we're gonna set everything aside, but we're going to whisk together the flour, the milk, the eggs, the salt, and the vanilla. I'm also gonna do the butter. I'm gonna let that butter melt. And while that's doing its magic, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna start whisking the things that I have together just to get it started. Put in the butter. And now I want to stir to make it smooth. So it's gonna look like pancake batter. See that? That's what I want. I want it to look like pancake batter. A little more. And then when I do this, see that? That's what I want. I want a thin batter. Very nice. So now that we have mixed our batter, we're going to take the pan out of the oven. And this pan is hot, okay? It's hot. So now with each muffin tin, we're going to fill it up halfway. And those lovely blueberries. Now we're gonna add the blueberries. They're gonna sink in. I'm gonna cover a little bit, just a little bit. I have one more. I didn't think I would because I'm doing giant muffins, and sometimes when we do giant muffins, we usually don't have a lot of batter at the end, but I actually do. Yep. All right, so now the trick with this is the baking. So we've got them out, we've put the blueberries in, we've filled them up. So now we're gonna bake these at 15 minutes at the 425 mark that we have. And then we're gonna reduce the heat to 350, and we're gonna bake it for an additional 10 minutes. Do not open this oven. I know you wanna look. Don't you open this oven. It's like a souffle almost. If you open the oven, it will go down and you're gonna be pissed. I'm just telling you, don't open the oven. Okay, we're gonna do it. All right, it's in the oven, got the timer set, and then I will lower the temperature. I will see you when these are. All right, the timer has went off, so let's see how our blueberry popovers came out. I like. Let's see if they pop out. Yes, look at that. Very nicely done. Very nice. And I can feel the lightness as I take them out. Very light, very fluffy. I do see the consistency. They are not a muffin. Where we said that at the beginning, we were like, it could just be a muffin, but no, it is like a crepe muffin almost. But I do love the lightness of it. They're a little juicy. You know how I am about that. Let's clean up the plate. You know how I am. I don't like a lot of craziness on the plate. I don't know who worse, me or Chef Ramsay. I'll be ready to fight. That plate is dirty. I know. It's craziness. All right, and I feel like I just want to add another little something. Another little something. I'm gonna add a little powdered sugar because it'll give it, I want to give it a little whimsy. Yeah, just a little whimsy. Just enough. Ooh, yes. All right. We did it. You did it. You made blueberry popovers and you let me join. So from my kitchen to yours, happy National Popover Day. All right, that is all the time we have. I want to thank everybody so much for tuning in and watching me make all these wonderful dishes for our national days in the United States of America. If you are enjoying this and you would like to have some more recipes, please feel free to click in my channel description to purchase my Good Time Gal cookbook, as well as the other cooking aids that I have available. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and you guys have a blessed one.